Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the tongue load and stabilizing the trailer so the jack can move freely. Once done, chalk wheels and place rated jack stands under the frame. Make sure the trailer is empty and safe. Disconnect any wiring that could snag. Apply penetrating oil liberally into the screw housing and pivot points. Let it soak for 10-15 minutes while you prepare tools. This reduces binding from rust and grime and gives you the best chance to free the mechanism without damage. You now work the jack by alternating heat, impact, and steady torque. Tap the housing and gearbox with a hammer to fracture rust, then apply a controlled heat source to metal parts only. Heat expands metal and eases corrosion grip. Reapply penetrating oil after heating, wait a few minutes, and use a wrench with a steady, deliberate pull. Add a short cheater bar for gradual leverage. Avoid jerky motions that can strip threads. Keep torque steady until you feel rotation. Once the jack moves, remove the inner tube and screw to inspect threads and bearings. Clean all parts with a wire brush and solvent, removing burrs and rust. Replace any pitted or stripped components and apply a thin coat of marine-grade grease and anti-seize to threads. Reassemble, cycle the jack several times under a light load to seat the lubricant and tighten fasteners. If it binds again, check alignment and replace the lead screw. Stuck recurring means worn parts, not lubrication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.